Meiyara yo sa tswang go tlhophiwa wa Johannesburg Thapelo Amad a re thebolelo ya ditirelo tsa motheo ntwa kgatlhonong le bonweenwee le go fetolela ditirelo tsa toropo go nna tsa profeshenale di kwa setlhoeng tsa tiro ya gagwe. Amad yo e leng tokololo ya Al-Jamaah o tlhophilwe go nna meiyara wa toropo morago ga go fenya Mpho Phalatse wa DA le Funzile Ngobeni wa Action SA. Amad o fentse ka divoutu di le Kgolo-some-a-mararo-le-borobedi fa Phalatse a bone di le Some-a-robedi-nngwe, Ngobeni di le Some-a-mane-thataro. Amad o rebotse puo ya gagwe ka kamogelo go kgotla ya toropo.
We are here. We were entrusted by these same parties that have voted us in as the mayor, representing the communities, because each and every councillor here is representing, it's a proportional representation of the communities. And maybe if we are proxies of the communities, because not every community member will be here and participate in legislating the laws, but we are mandated by them and we are here to deliver those services. By law enforcement, we will look into intergovernmental relations first, to enhance the model that we need to curb the crime that you were alluding to. And then also the Premier is here right next to me, and with the leadership of the coalition partners also, we work as a team. And then we need to also deploy technologies. I know the Premier is very passionate on his campaign to curb, so I don't have to duplicate what the Premier is already doing. We need to take the model, replicate it into the JMPD, the enforcement team, and then we implement as the city of Johannesburg, because we are the implementers in all the three spheres of government. And then as for the DBSA loan, the DBSA loan, Bali, you should know that the mayor herself, the previous mayor, said there isn't any crisis in terms of the financial state of the city of Johannesburg. And we took that position to see who's lying to the masses, because as opposition, we had to take that particular position to say we can't allow the masses to be lied to. And then by virtue of that, we decided to withdraw our participation, because over and above that, we were never consulted as political parties in council to stabilize the financial status of the city. And then MMCs, the political parties are here, stakeholders, some of us are not here. We will convene and then we'll provide a strategic way forward in terms of MMCs and the allocation of that executive.